Morning, departure Frontier 2551's out of 1300, climb at 5000.
Frontier Flight 2551, Philadelphia departure, contact, climb, maintain 10,010.
I'm at 10,000, Frontier 2551.
Frontier 2551, turn right direct stow-in.
Right, turn direct stow-in, Frontier 2551.
Frontier Flight 2551, contact New York Center 135.45, take care.
551.
Frontier 2551, climb maintain 12,000, and just fly present heading.
Present heading to 12,000, Frontier 2551.
Frontier 2551, climb now to fly level 210.
551, I'd like to stay level at 12,000 for a minute, troubleshooting a possible issue.
Oh yeah, sure, maintain 12,000, and just let me know if you need anything.
I'll let you know, Frontier 2551.
Okay.
Yeah, Center, Frontier 2551.
Yes, sir.
We're going to head and declare an emergency at this point. We got one engine shut down for an engine on oil low pressure.
Okay, you want to make a right turn direct to the field?
That is correct. I'd like to go back to Philadelphia.
Okay, right turn direct to Philly, Frontier 2551, and you can maintain 11,000.
Maintain 11,000, right turn direct to Philly, Frontier 2551.
And Frontier 2551, you said it was right engine low pressure or oil pressure?
The engine is shut down. We are running on one engine at this point.
Okay, and just souls on board, hours and fuel?
I'd say at this point we got, call it 4 hours of fuel. Souls on board is going to be.
Thank you, sir. Frontier 2551, descend to maintain 10,000.
Descend to 10,000, Frontier 2551.
Frontier 2551, go to Philly now, 12435. Good morning.
2435, Frontier 2551. Search, Frontier 2551 of 10-8 for 10,000.
Frontier 2551, Philly approach, roger, altimeter 3030, expect runway 27 left.
3030, expecting 27 left, Frontier 2551.
Frontier 2551, descend and maintain 5,000.
Descend and maintain 5,000, Frontier 2551.
Frontier 2551, they told me 99 people on board. Can you give me the fuel in pounds and what the exact emergency is again?
15,400 pounds, and we had engine number 2, low oil pressure shutdown.
Engine 2, low oil pressure shutdown. Okay, thanks. Frontier 2551, fly heading 100.
Heading 100, Frontier 2551.
Frontier Flight 2551, turn left heading 090.
090, Frontier 2551.
Frontier 2551, contact approach 125.4.
25-4, Frontier 2551. Approach Frontier 2551 with you out of 5,700 for 5,000.
Frontier 2551, Philly approach, altimeter 3030. Do you want to go right in or do you need an extended downwind?
Yeah, we'll take the extended downwind for Frontier 2551.
Frontier 2551, descend and maintain 3,000.
Descend 3,000, Frontier 2551.
Frontier 2551, will a 7-mile final work for you?
2551, that should be just fine.
Frontier 2551, turn right heading 180.
Right turn 180, Frontier 2551.
Frontier 2551, descend and maintain 2,000.
Descend and maintain 2,000, Frontier 2551.
Frontier 2551, speed at your discretion. The airport set your 2 o'clock and at 6 miles.
Airport set, Frontier 2551.
Frontier 2551, clear visual approach, run right 27 left.
Right, visual 27 left, Frontier 2551.
Frontier 2551, contact the tower 135.1. Have a good day.
35-1, Frontier 2551. Tower, Frontier 2551, visual 27 left.
Frontier Flight 2551, Philly, good morning. Wind 210 at 3, runway 27 left, clear to land.
Land 27 left, Frontier 2551.
Frontier 2551, all the equipment is standing by. There's a vehicle at the approach end of the runway. They follow you on for a routine inspection, just so you know, okay?
2551, appreciate the help.
Frontier 2551, turn right to high speed if you're able to clear the runway.
Alright, we're making the high speed Frontier Flight 2551.
Thank you, Frontier 2551. The plan would be to use Zulu, that's straight ahead there. Do you guys require any assistance? Do you want to stop?
Yeah, we're going to pull off and hold short right here and have them take a look at the number 2 engine.
Okay, Frontier 2551, the number 2 engine, you could just use this frequency. Let Foxtrot number 21 know when it's safe to approach the aircraft, okay?
Alright, Fox 21 and we'll advise Frontier Flight 2551.
Philly Tower, Foxtrot 21.
Foxtrot 21, did you copy all that? They're going to let you know when when it's okay for you to approach the aircraft. They want the number 2 engine looked at.
Okay, request permission to enter runway 27 left.
Foxtrot 21 and company, you're cleared on to runway 27 left.
Entering runway 27 left.
And for Frontier 2551, it's safe to approach the point.
Frontier 2551 to start.
Go ahead.
Yeah, we're going to go ahead to 360, starting on your
Alright, we're ready, Frontier 2551. And the number 1 engine is still running.
Okay. Tower 4259, all vehicles are clear, 27 left, will remain clear.
Okay, Airport 259, just confirm that's for you and all the Foxtrot vehicles. Is the runway back open?
Hey, from, that includes me and all the Foxtrot vehicles, the runway's back open and back to you.
Okay, Airport 259, my initials, Mike Charlie, and then you guys can take all the time you need down there. Let me know when the alert is secured as well.
Welcome. Frontier 2551 from Sparkman.
Hey, go ahead.
Yeah, you do have a little bit of oil leaking out of that number 2 engine.
Alright, copy that. Is it leaking out of the bottom, out of a drain mount?
Yeah, it's out of the bottom, but I can't really tell exactly where.
Okay, is it just kind of active dripping, or is it a pretty steady stream?
Nah, it's active dripping.
Alright, sounds good, thank you. Yeah, for Fox 21, this is Frontier 2551.
Proceed.
Yeah, we're going to plan to go ahead and taxi to the gate. Looks like we should be okay to do that. Just want to follow us in, let us know if anything else changes.
Okay.
Alright, give us just a minute to get some things set up, and we'll give you a call right back.
Okay.